Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. USDINR is trading around 83.0405 levels offshore में spot में और global cues are nothing significant. कल जो US का data था that was the inflation data was higher than what the market was anticipating, both the core and the headline. But उसके वजह से dollar index में कुछ खास impact था नहीं. It was largely flat. US bond yields came down a little. Maybe that is the reason why dollar index was flat. Now, also the US inflation data did not have significant impact. At least अगर हम लोग देखें कि Fed pricing of interest rates, मतलब जो Fed का expectation है Fed के ऊपर this year. So the money market का जो expectation है that is still pricing in 150 to 175 basis point cut by end of this year. The debate is कब से ये start होगा. Market is still expecting the move from March, which is pretty early. हो सकता है मार्च में ना हो and it may happen in the summer, something around May or June. So, अगर वो expectation में alteration आया in the coming weeks, then you could see some kind of a positive impact on the dollar index and हो सकता है एक negative impact on the risk assets like equities. But उसके अलावा immediately the market is not going to abandon its expectation of a rate cut. But हाँ, अगर the needle moves from March to let's say May or June, then of course to expect again the same quantum of cuts will be too much. So हो सकता है then we could see the market pricing in a lower amount of cuts. So that is something which we have to keep a watch. So keep a watch. वो CME का आता है एक particular link है which we will share on the Telegram channel. कि जहां से you can track the market expectation on the Fed, and that is going to be supremely important for the tactical changes in the dollar index and उसका जो implications है in other markets, in other currency markets, in other risk assets, and of course the credit markets. Now फिलहाल के लिए interesting part ये है कि USDINR में जो कल option positioning था that was heavily tilted towards the put options. मतलब massive amount of put writing has happened. But yes, put writing जो हुआ है, a chunk of it has also happened in the near month ones, the near expiry ones जो आज expire होगा. So that is something which we have to keep a close watch on. क्योंकि if this large amount of put writers between 82, 87 and 83 gets squeezed, then we could see a sharp drop. Because once you have sold the put options and it becomes in the money, you have to come into the market to sell futures to defend your position. So that is something. So इसलिए 82, 80, 83 is a major support zone. We know that from the technical charts. But in case, if this support breaks, just in case, then we could get some fireworks on the downside. Because the range has been on for a very long time, more than 6 months. Now, how to trade? If you are going long, your stop loss is very well defined, 82, 80 के नीचे. If it is drifting, then you not only exit your longs, you even attempt shorts. But 82.80, 82.90, this is a zone of very strong support, and then 83, 83.10 ऐसे है. And upper resistance majorly is around 83.40 and 45 levels. Short triangles also need to keep this thing in mind. In case अगर breakdown होता है, you have to take evasive actions, मतलब buy our OTM puts. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR दोनों is well supported. So it's a buy on dips in both, in Euro INR, GBP INR, but keep an eye on USDINR. अगर breakdown हो जाए USDINR में, then everything else will fall because of the conversion rate. Yen INR में it is still it is going to be a range bound day because dollar yen has pulled back due to the pullback in US bond yields. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.